Hey, junior designer, I have a Today I'm gonna need you to be at a client meeting with me and I want you to contribute to the meeting as well. Really? I'm finally invited to the table? I don't know what to say. That's good, because you won't be saying anything. Now, here's how this works. You sit down, and once I read the kickoff questions, you simply sit there and nod. You can't be ideating, of course, so just do this. And you can do some little sounds like or that's interesting, but do it quietly. It can't really break their concentration. Now, this is important. When the client keeps talking, you need to take out your sketchbook and sketch out a quick flow to solve their problem. What? Now, just cover it with your hand, kind of like this, so they can't see what you're doing, and then simply just do stuff. But it doesn't really matter, because nobody's gonna see it. It just kind of has to give them the impression that you're paying attention to what they're saying. And this is important. This is very important. So basically, you just need to pretend that you're paying attention, that you're taking notes. That's all it is. And you can be doing whatever you want there. Wait, so it's basically all about wasting everyone's time? No, not ours. We're charging by the hour, and by having 2 people at the table, we'll be charging for 2 hours instead of 1 hour. It's simple math, but you'll get it one day. Okay, where's the catch? Why invite me now? My friend, who's also a senior designer, had a scarf-related elevator accident. Really a horrible tragedy. He suffers a big neck injury because the end of his scarf got caught in the elevator door, and yeah, you can imagine the rest. It's really horrible. But we can't really bill for just one person at a client meeting. That's unprofessional. Meet you there in half an hour, and I'm gonna take the company limo, but I like to stretch my legs, so just go fetch yourself an Uber. See you there. Don't be late. I could have been a carpenter.